Hello everyone. So in this session, I am going to explain you that how to fill a shape with a photo in Photoshop. So in this session, we will discuss about the shape tool and we will then insert a picture inside the shape. So for that, first you need to open the Photoshop. This time, I am creating a square shape document. So for that, I am just clicking File, New. Then I have already set the width and height to 2000 for making a square shape document. You can change the name as shape. Resolution is 72 pixels. Background contains color is white. So now just click on create. Now find the shape tool. So here is the shape tool we have. We have different types of shapes like rectangle, ellipse, triangle tool, polygon tool, line tool. So let me show you that how you can use these tools. This is the rectangle tool. If you want to fill the, suppose you want to change the width and height of this. So by this way, by clicking on it, you can change it. So another same way. If you want to move it, use the move tool to move this shape. If you want to make another type, suppose ellipse tool, so for that just drag it by clicking on that. So in this session, I'm going to explain you about the custom shape tool. As these are the simple tools, you can simply drag these shapes and simply make it. So for that, just click on the shape tool. Or you can click here, that is custom shape tool. So when you click on it, you will get a window or a toolbar here at the top of this, and from here you can select different options. Like here I want to use shape, fill color, like which color I want to fill in the shape or picture. Suppose I'm just using yellow. Stroke is like border kind. Pixels, so you can select the pixels. This time I just selected only one pixel. So now what you have to do, just click on it. Here you can shake the shape icon. So here you will get the different options, and if you want more options, then you can click here and you can see if you want to see small thumbnail, large thumbnail, small list, or large list, and if you want to import shapes from somewhere, you can do that also. So now what you have to do, suppose I want to select an image, any image you can select, just click on it, it will drag will show the various images. So suppose I just click a elephant. Just you have to double click on it. So now you can drag this picture on the canvas. So you can see that picture is dragged and the color is filled. That I have already selected the yellow color. So for making the picture or that you don't want to affect the aspect ratio, just simply press Shift and move this. Pressing Shift and simply drag this image in the center. So now you can see the shape has been properly placed in the center. So now insert the image which you want to place inside this shape. So for that, just go to File, open that particular image. Suppose I'm just take this image. So now it will open that image in this document. What you have to do now, go to select, click on all, it will select the whole image, then go to edit, copy, go to shape image and again go to edit and just paste. So you can see the picture has been placed here. So now my image is completely pasted here and the size of image is like small. I just zoom this picture, and also you can see we have now 3 layers. So now you have to select layer 1 and create create clip mask. For that you have to go to layer, and here you can select create clipping mask. So now you can see the picture has been placed inside the elephant, but position of picture is not proper like the indent. So for that, just go to edit and select free transform. So now you can just increase this image size according to your choice, and it will totally in the image. Just move it and down. So now you can see the picture has been placed inside the shape.